Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are around the world. My name is Agbo. Welcome to my channel. So today I want to continue with that topic. My last video was random things and how to say something in Igbo language, randomly selected, as in the topic was not properly directed to one thing. Randomly selected, how to do things, what is the name of things, how to say things in Igbo language, and I found it very interesting. And I'm very sure that you guys randomly used to say things or would like to know things, how they are being said or called in Igbo language. So right now, as if I'm peeping, how is it said in Igbo language? Ineyo, ineyo, you are peeping, you are trying to secretly see. So I'm trying to peep. As you can see the camera, I'm trying to peep. Nneyo the camera. Okay, I'm peeping. So now I want to sit down. For example, I will say achorom inorana. Achorom inorana. I want to sit down. Achorom inorana. Yeah. So anorugom ana. I've sat down. Anorugom ana. I've sat down. Okay. Achorom inolo ofuma. I want to stay well. Because I'm facing the camera, right? So achorom inolo ofuma. I want to stay well. So let me now pause for you to continue the video. Kedaham, what is my name? Ahambo Ike Agbo. My name is Ike Agbo. Let me turn back. Kamu tono or kamu noariazu. One thing about Igbo language, forget about some people trying to teach you Igbo language as in purely the way we write them in Igbo language. If you concentrate only to know Igbo language exactly the way they are being written, you might go from state to state in Igbo land and you will not understand anything. So in Igbo language, most of the time we mix some words with slightly English language, English words. So if you hear somebody in Igbo say, Achorom iton azu, remember ton is English word, right? We use it together. So you can say achorom iton azu. Everybody understands. I say it that way. Other Igbo people say it that way. Almost 100% of Igbo people, they say it that way. Okay, achorom inogare azu. I want to turn back. If you now hear somebody say achorom iton azu, very correct. So it's being called Igbo mixed with English. So you cannot be waiting for somebody to say something 100% in Igbo language for you to know that the person is teaching Igbo language. No. Okay, because almost all of us are now mixing Igbo language with some words in English. Okay, so achọrọ iyi the eyeglass. Achọrọ iyi eyeglass. I want to wear my eyeglasses. Okay, you can say achọrọ iyi the ugogbeanya. Ugogbeanya. Ugogbeanya in English means eyeglass. Aya means eye. Ugobe. Aya means eyeglass. Okay. Ugobaya. So I want to wear my eyeglasses. If somebody says, actually the eyeglass, the person is correct. We all mix it all the time. Don't wait for somebody to 100% say it in Igbo. You might not hear anybody saying it 100% in Igbo. Okay, and the more you try to mix some words from Igbo and a little English, the more you understand Igbo language. So, achọrọ m iyi efe m. Achọrọ m iyiri efe m. I want to wear my clothes. Let's say I want to wear clothes, right? So achọrọ m iyiri efe m. I want to wear my clothes. Okay, achọrọ m iyiri efe m. Efe means clothes. Achọrọ m means I want. Iyiri means to wear. Efe m means my clothes. So achọrọ m iyiri efe m. I want to wear my clothes. Achọrọ m ifiche iru m. I want to clean my face. Ifiche iru m. I want to clean my face. Okay, so ifiche means to clean. Ifiche arụ, to clean body. Ifiche aka, to clean hand. Ifiche ọnụ, to clean mouth. Ifiche isi, to clean head. Ifiche anya, to clean eyes. Ifiche imi, to clean nose. Ifiche iru, to clean face, the entire face. Ifiche azụ, to clean back. Okay, so achọrọ m ikpochi efe m. Achọrọ m ikpochi efe m. I want to buckle my clothes. Let me look professional. Achọrọ m ikpochi. Ikpochi means to lock. Ikpochi, to lock. Remember, achọrọ m ikpochi ụzọ. I want to lock the door. Achọrọ m ikpochi window. I want to lock the window. Achọrọ m ikpochi moto. I want to lock the car. Achọrọ m ikpochi ihe ụkwụ m. I want to lock my shoe. As in to lock it now, the way we lock it and wear it. So achọrọ m ikpochi ihe ụkwụ m. I want to lock my shoe. Achọrọ m ikpochi efe m. I want to buckle my clothes. Buckle, zip, the same thing. So achọrọ m ikpochi efe m. I want to lock. Okay, zip, the same thing. So achọrọ m ighe ughere. Ughere. In my side of Igbo language, we call it ughere. Achọrọ m ighe ughere. Ughere. Remember, in some of my videos, I've clarified these things. Igbo words, if you go from state to state, might not be exactly the same way they pronounce it. So this ughere now, for example, might differ if you go to, let's say, Abia State, Imo State, Ebonyi State, or Anambra State. But in my side, in Enugu State, we say ughere. Ughere. Okay. Achọrọ m ịkwa ụkwara. 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 Achọrọ m izi imi. Achọrọ m izi imi. Izi imi. Imi means nose. Then izi means to remove something from the nose. Okay. Achọrọ m izi imi. Izi imi. Okay. Achọrọ m ịkụ aka. I want to clap hand. Achọrọ m ịkụ aka. I want to clap hand. Achọrọ m ịrarụ ụra. I want to sleep. I want to sleep. Achọrọ m ịrarụ ụra. Achọrọ m ịgba egwu. I want to dance. Okay, I want to dance. Ịgba egwu. Achọrọ m ịkọ ụkọ. I want to scratch. Achọrọ m ịkọ ụkọ. I want to scratch. Maybe let's say somewhere is scratching you. You are scratching your head, you are scratching your body, you are scratching it. Achọrọ m ịkọ. Ụkọ means to scratch. Ọ na-akọ m ụkọ, is scratching me. Okay. So ọ na-akọ m ụkọ. He's scratching me. Ọ na-akọ m ụkọ. Okay, so achọrọ m ịsa eze. I want to brush my teeth. Achọrọ m ịsa eze m. Eze m. So remember, I want to tell you one secret about Igbo language. In every sentence, if you hear silencing you, it means the person is referring to himself. Let's say, achọrọ m iyiri eyeglass eyeglass. I silented M and U. That's supposed to be a complete word. M and U. Eyeglass, if I want to properly pronounce it for somebody to clearly understand what I want to say. So, eyeglass, me, means mo in Igbo language. So, but most of the time, while speaking Igbo language, we silence it. So, actually, eyeglass, you will not like hear that MU at the end, but it's there. So anytime you hear somebody trying to silence M, always remember that there is M and U there. Okay, like chisum. It means God follows me. Chisomu. Mu, M-U, Chisomu. Chi, God. So, follows. Mu, M-U. So, achọrọ m. Let's say, achọrọ m ịpị phone. Remember, don't wait until somebody says something 100% in Igbo language for you to begin to concentrate that the person is teaching Igbo language. No, the more you mix it with other slightly English words, the better for you to understand them. Okay, achọrọ m ịpị phone, even though it's tablet, but I can call it phone if I want, because I can use it to make call. So achọrọ m ịpị phone. I want to press phone. Achọrọ m ịpị phone. Ịpị means to press. Okay, pia, to press. So achọrọ m ịpị phone. I want to press phone. Achọrọ m iri nri. I want to eat food. Achọrọ m iri nri. I want to eat food. Achọrọ m imepe door. I want to open the door. Achọrọ m imepe fridge. I want to open the fridge. Achọrọ m imepe phone. I want to on the phone. Remember, imepe, open, a kind of owning something or opening something. So you can as well say achọrọ m imepe phone. I want to on the phone. So achọrọ m ịgbanye ọkụ. Ịgbanye ọkụ. Ịgbanye means to a kind of to pour. Like if you want to say achọrọ m ịgbanye mmiri, I want to pour water. Ịgbanye. But we use it as even if you want to say I want to on the light. Ọkụ. Ọkụ means fire, but ọkụ, electric light, we still call it ọkụ in Igbo language. So achọrọ m ịgbanye ọkụ. I want to on the light. Okay. So owning something. Remember, I just told you now that owning phone, you can say achọrọ m imepe phone or ịgbanye phone. Ịgbanye phone as well is correct. Achọrọ m imepe phone. I want to open the phone. Achọrọ m ịgbanye phone or imepe phone. Okay. So to on light, you can say achọrọ m ịgbanye ọkụ. Ịgbanye ọkụ, to on the light. That is how we say it in Igbo language. So achọrọ m ịgbanye ọkụ. I want to on the light. Achọrọ m ịgbanye. Ịgbanye, not ịgbanye this time around. Ịgbanye is to on. Then ịgbanye, yi means to off. I hope you're understanding it. So achọrọ m ịgbanye ọkụ. I want to on the light. Achọrọ m ịgbanye ye and ye to on. Ịgbanye ọkụ, to on light. Ịgbanye ọkụ, to off light. Igbo is sweet, guys. Come on. So, achọrọ m iyiri watch m. I want to wear my watch. Achọrọ m iyiri watch. I want to wear my watch. Just the same way achọrọ m iyiri efe. I want to wear clothes. Achọrọ m iyiri eyeglass. I want to wear my eyeglasses. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you've learned one or two things. I will continue in these random things because randomly we say things and we try to learn things or we hear things in Igbo language. So random things topic will continue in this channel. Thank you very much for watching. God bless you all. Bye. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. Kachukwu okike abịa ma gozie unu niile. Ise. Bye.